The nightingale sings each morning, her sweet song weaved in midnight's thread. Neath her veil, a kingdom calling. If I could leave this grassy bed, but when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly at all. Deep in trial, bound and burning, her restless charms broken through, between cheap denial and reckless yearning to run from harm was all I knew. So when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly. When I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly at all. We fly and we fall from the summer's golden rays to the murky ocean floors. Times there's cause we're calling for, but mostly it seems we're chasing dreams to the shore. The nightingale flies tonight, and I know the spell she's weaving. It's not like I can't stand the fight, I just can't stand leaving. So when I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly. When I told you I was afraid to fall, really I was afraid to fly.